Interfit, the world-leading specialty tire and wheel service partner. Our excellence in service, tire expertise, and wide range of products make us the ideal partner for material handling, agriculture, and construction machine specialists that want to maximize their revenue by remaining in control of their tire business. Choosing Interfit is the smart and easy way to do business. Our unique digital platform makes choosing the right solutions and services simple from start to finish. Customer proximity is one of our strengths, thanks to our worldwide network with operations in more than 20 countries. A fast delivery and an efficient service, always in line with high-quality standards to meet our customers' needs. With systems and processes designed to deliver customer control and ensure the right tires are always fitted at the right time. Product expertise and a complete range of services makes replacing tires with Interfit easy. Professional teams deliver on-site fitting through mobile presses and exchange wheel programs, designed to be fast, efficient, and minimize machine downtime. We carry out fleet inspections and essential tire and wheel maintenance to keep operations running at maximum productivity. Safety is paramount in all our activities. Interfit performs to high standards of operational safety, with all measures and procedures compliant to industry requirements. Beyond service operations, Interfit adds value through digital innovation and solutions. Using the latest technology and devices, we achieve paperless and fast processes through our unique online ordering system, iFit. Complete reporting and detailed vehicle tracking ensure customers have all the information they need about tire spend and product performance. Choose service excellence from Interfit. The right tires, the right systems, the right partner for you.